Want to give your video a supernatural or fantasy inspired look? One of the easiest way to do that in CapCut Mobile is by adding glowing horns to your subject. Start by opening your project and importing the video you want to edit. Next, tap Effects and select Body Effects. Browse through the available effects until you find horns or glowing horns. Once applied, the effect will automatically place glowing horns on your subject, instantly transforming the look of your video. To make the effect even more interesting, tap on the effect layer and customize the size, color, or glow settings if they are available in your app version. You can create a playful fantasy look, a devil inspired character, or even a Halloween themed edit. Review the video and make small adjustments until everything looks natural. And that's how to add glowing horns in CapCut Mobile. It's a fun effect that's perfect for creative edits, cosplay videos, themed content, and short form social media posts.